man. Whew. So, morning. It is officially about 5:45 in the morning. Late start for me. Wife is already out of bed. She beat me out of bed. She never beats me out of bed. This is crazy. But let's get this day started, man. So this is going to be interesting. Let's go. Attack the day. All right, so I just got done making the bed. I make the bed every morning. So my wife likes to sleep downstairs in our guest room. So I don't do a good job as her making the bed, but hey, that's all I can do. Kids are awake right now. So it is Christmas. Let me clean that screen off. It's a little dirty. Got all that glare. Still got some glare. But yeah. So y'all getting ready for school? Last day of, what is this? Before Christmas break, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so gotta go in here, get the garage warmed up. It's time for me to work out. So let's see. Go ahead and see if I can. Oh, it's cold in here, man. Let's see. Got my barber tools warming up. I don't have a lighter. Oh, getting a lot of glare still on this screen. I don't like that. Be back. Whew, man, got my electric lighter. Find this on Amazon. All right, so I think it's already good to go. Let me see. Nope. Let's see. Close, open it up. Okay, so we're gonna see how we do this. Can't do this like that, so yeah. This will have this boy heated up in like 10 seconds. So we're gonna get it started. What's up, guys? So last night I uploaded my first YouTube video. It's been about 3 years. Wow, it's crazy, right? Please. If you don't do nothing else for me, I just want you to go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to blow up on YouTube, so how about y'all help me blow up on YouTube? So go ahead, subscribe right now, and I really appreciate it that you did that. I'm about to knock out a workout. I'll probably post a little bit of that content. Got more videos to come. So officially got my day started working out. Kind of doing dual recording today. Got the Instagram live in the background, knocking out a workout with everybody. So those of you that are watching this YouTube channel, this was me getting on live one day. But yeah, I'm about to finish it up and get it in. But for the next 13 days, I will be posting a video every day on YouTube. So go ahead, check the link in the bio right now, and go ahead and subscribe. All right, attack the day.